They informed that out of the 365 registered Manipuris who migrated to Shillong, only 77 of them are still residing in the city, while the rest have moved to several places across the northeast and the country. Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills RM Kurba said that with assistance from the respective Darbar Shnongs, the police and the district administration, the majority of the migrants from Manipur have moved to Aizawl. Some left for either Delhi or Bangalore, and there are a few who have moved back to Manipur. As of May 6th, the Evangelical Baptist Convention Church and Chin Baptist Association confirmed that only 77 migrants are still residing in Shillong, with details of each of the migrants being provided by the representatives of these three communities.
Those have been accommodated by the church, by the association. There were about 265 migrants that were reported, and this number was given to us by the concerned community, addressed to the police station, and thereafter